To remove and install the battery on your Ranger XD 1500, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface and in park. Turn the key switch off and remove the key. Then lift the bench seat and remove the battery lid under the rearmost passenger seat to access the battery. Disconnect the black negative battery cable first to prevent arcing. Set the cable aside. Next, disconnect the red positive cable and set aside. Then remove the battery hold-down strap. Next, lift the battery out of the vehicle. Be careful not to tip a flooded battery sideways, which could spill electrolyte. If electrolyte spills, immediately wash it off with a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 cup of water to prevent damage to the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure that the battery is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the battery tray. Next, place the battery in the battery holder. Then connect and tighten the red positive cable first and torque to specification. Then connect and tighten the black negative cable and torque to specification. Next, install the battery hold-down strap and tighten the screws. Then verify the cables are secure and properly routed. After this, coat the terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, reinstall the battery compartment cover and lower the bench seat. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.